In this picture, a newborn has been kept under blue lights, and that is for a reason. It is one of the treatment modalities known as phototherapy used for the treatment of neonatal jaundice. When babies are born, their liver are not mature enough to process bilirubin, so the bilirubin piles up in the blood, leading to jaundice, a condition where baby becomes yellow. Think of phototherapy as a high-tech, gentle way of helping baby naturally flush out excess bilirubin, turning that yellow tint into a healthy glow. But how does phototherapy works and why do newborns get jaundice? See, jaundice is one of the most common cause of readmission in discharged neonates. The reasons include the liver of neonate is not mature enough to process the bilirubin. Lifespan of RBC is short in neonates. Bilirubin is one of the metabolic product of RBC breakdown. So when the RBC breaks down, bilirubin is produced and that leads to jaundice. And there is increased intrahepatic circulation of bilirubin in neonates. See, the bilirubin that is produced are of two types, conjugated and unconjugated. Conjugated bilirubin is water soluble and it can get excreted in urine. Unconjugated bilirubin is lipid soluble and it cannot pass through urine. In fact, if in excess, it can get deposited in the basal ganglia of brain, leading to cornic tears. What phototherapy does is that it converts excess of unconjugated water insoluble bilirubin to water soluble but still unconjugated bilirubin, which gets excreted in urine. In phototherapy, a blue light of wavelength somewhere in between 460 to 490 nanometer is used. This blue light causes isomerization of bilirubin. The ZZ configuration of isomer of bilirubin is converted to EE isomer. EE isomer gets slowly excreted from the body. So this is not the major mechanism. The major mechanism is structural isomerization, where bilirubin is converted to lumirubin, which gets rapidly excreted from the body. The effectiveness of phototherapy depends on several factors, like LED light is more effective than CFL light, the distance between the baby, the ideal distance will be 30 to 45 centimeter, and higher the exposed surface area, the more the exposed surface area of the baby for phototherapy, more is the effectiveness. So baby must be kept naked except for eyes and gonads because it can cause damage to the retina and gonads. See, not all neonatal jaundice needs phototherapy. Phototherapy is preferred only when bilirubin crosses certain threshold. The threshold that is followed in our NICU is shown in the screen. So I hope now you get the idea when the phototherapy is required for the treatment of neonatal jaundice. I hope you found the video useful.